How's it going, guys? Vaibhav here, and I'm here at Jumbo Electronics in Mall of the Emirates to check out the new Apple iPhone 12. Now, behind me is the Apple corner where pretty much anything to do with Apple you'll find. So this is where we're going to take a look at the Apple iPhone 12 and then go ahead and unbox it. So without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, so this is the iPhone 12 and we've got the green color variant of the device. You also get 4 other colors, which are product red, a blue, a black, and a sort of this silver/white color finish on the iPhone 12. But the first thing you'll notice is just how small the box is compared to last year's boxes. This is a 50% smaller box, and Apple claims this is for environmental reasons. You can obviously pack more of your iPhones into a shipment, but this also means you don't get a charging brick nor earphones out of the box with the new iPhone 12. Now, if you go ahead and unbox this thing, the first thing you'll notice is the phone itself. Now, let me just go ahead and pop the phone out for you guys to take a look at. This is the green color finish of the phone. To me, it looks a much lighter green than what I expected. And what you'll notice is that you don't get any plastic packaging around the device. The only sort of cover for the device is this white paper that you can peel off, and you get the iPhone in its full glory. Now, something to keep in mind with the new iPhone 12 is that it comes with a Super Retina XDR 6.1-inch display on the front. It also comes with something called ceramic shield on the front, which basically gives the glass on the front added protection, and that's supposed to help you with your drops, with your falls, with scratches. So all of that stuff Apple's taken care of. Now, something I've immediately noticed just by holding this phone for a couple of minutes is just how lightweight and thin this really is. Apple has done a great job of making sure that you still get the 6.1-inch display, but you get it in a much more manageable, lightweight and pocketable form factor. So that's obviously a great feeling in the hand. It's definitely not as heavy as the iPhone 11, so a worthy upgrade on that front too. Now, in terms of processing power, you're looking at the Apple A14 Bionic CPU in here, which basically means you'll pretty much blaze past your social media, gaming, and any multitasking that you do, alongside with 4 GB of RAM on this variant. Now, there's also 5G support on this smartphone, which is a big thing for Apple because this is one of the first Apple devices to come with 5G support. What this means is you're going to get better streaming, better video playback, better music streaming, just overall faster and more reliable connections when you're out and about. Now, in terms of the camera setup on the phone, you're looking at 2 cameras on the back. Both of them are 12 megapixel setups, so a 12 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Something that Apple's done this year is made sure that all of these cameras support night mode, so you're going to get better low light photography, and even the front selfie camera that you find on the iPhone supports low light and nighttime photography with its own night mode built in. Apart from the immediate changes that you might feel in the hand or when you look at the device, there's also some changes that are more internal. So Apple's done something here called MagSafe. They've sort of reintroduced MagSafe, but this time on the iPhone lineup. So there's magnets inside the back of the iPhone 12 series, which basically allows you to stick any accessories that you want straight onto your device without having any sort of problem. So you could have cases that are MagSafe certified, you could have wireless chargers, etc., etc. And all of these work really well. They sort of snap onto the back of the device, and you're good to go. Now that we've talked a bit about the smartphone, let's actually put it off to the side right here and take a look at the other things that come inside the box, because this is pretty interesting as well. The first thing you'll see is this small pamphlet in the box, which basically houses everything from your SIM removal tool to your paperwork. So what Apple's done this year is made sure that every part of the paperwork that we first saw in bigger pamphlets has been shrunk down to pretty much this size. The SIM removal tool right here, and there's an Apple sticker. The last thing that we have is, of course, the charging cable. Now, the charging cable here is a Type-C USB connector to a Lightning connector. So the Lightning connector goes into your iPhone, whereas the Type-C goes into a charging brick. Now, something to keep in mind is The charging bricks that you typically have with the iPhone 11 or older versions actually come with a Type A USB port, so if you want a charging brick that supports using this cable, you might need to buy another charging brick that has a USB Type-C input. You can check out fast charging accessories here in Jumbo, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. Alright, so the iPhone 12 retails for 3,399 dirhams, and for essentially a big investment, I think you should also look at Apple Care, which is an extension of your warranty. It covers basically any accidental damage to your smartphone and gives you a discounted rate to fix it for 2 occasions. So if you're planning to use your phone for a longer period of time, basically long term, anything that involves maybe 2 or even 3 years, definitely look at that. The iPhone 12 is also available from Jumbo in installments, so you get the iPhone 12 at 159 dirhams per month, and you get the iPhone 12 Pro for 196 dirhams per month, which essentially makes these premium devices even cheaper for you to get. Now, these are available on next day delivery, express delivery, things like a curbside pickup, where basically you can pick up your device while you're inside your car, or go to a store and pick it up as well. And if you happen to see the phone out of stock, don't worry, because the iPhone 12 is a very popular device, so it'll be in stock very, very soon. But if you're looking to pick up the iPhone 12 or pretty much any other Apple iPhone, make sure you do it at Jumbo Electronics.